Hello friends, welcome to RetailSoft. Today we are going to learn how to make the bill-wise payment entry in RetailSoft. Go to the account transactions, account module. Then after bill against payment is the first option we have. So click on it. So here is the button. It will open the screen. So here we can select account. So to whom we have to make a payment entry. So we will select the Mahawar Trading Company. Here it will show the supplier list over here. It is a bill wise specifically for the people who have already done the purchases for this kind of a supplier list will be shown over here. So I'll select this. Here we can select the voucher date. We can select whichever the voucher date we will select. It will go on that particular date. So I can say 16 4. So it will go to the 16th of the date. We have adjustment option. Two options what we are having. It's automatic option is for something like that. We can take a lump sum amount. For example, we have total 6491 total amount is outstanding to pay to the Mahavir Trading Company. But if I'll pay lump sum 5,000 rupees, I can put 5,000 rupees here, 500 rupees here, or 5,000 rupees here. Here, right? I just enter key. So it will get automatically adjusted that at amount with a different bills. This is automatic. Okay. That second is about yes, manual is there. Manual is nothing but we have to go. We'll go to this each and every bill. See, it is now cursor is been over here. I will press which bill I want to adjust. So I will say I want to adjust only this three last wala bill. This is 3415 bills. I'll just press enter this. This is how it's manual is. We can settle the payments bill to bill, and the auto is an will adjust lump sum amount. So in this also in bill to bill, it's manual process as well. If I say yes to this, and I have given only partial amount. For example, I have given 2,000 rupees, then I can put 2,000 rupees over here. So and I can proceed for this. Here I will say how I have paid to this customer. So here I will say this is I have paid to whether it's in cash, whether it's in main cash, it's a credit card or phone pay. I have done the UPI. Here it will show the UPI detail difference. So ICICI Bank Limited. So I will select I have sorry HDFC Bank. I will select HDFC Bank from here. So it will say how you have done this payment. I have said NEFT I have done. It will show NEFT. So here that we have to add the beneficiary account of NEFT over here. Then I have not added it. I will escape it. I can proceed manually. So here I will put this reference number of NEFT transaction. Then after I will go here. This is not required. I will put the narration I have paid it. I have paid something like that. Then I can put this and I will say this is the save. F1 is the button for the save. This is how I can save the payment entry in RetailSoft. So it's very simple. We can adjust lump sum. We can make a bill to bill payment, or we can make a payment. We can say partial payment of a specifically bill as well. This is how we can make the payment entry in RetailSoft.